One of the more common questions that we've received is how to set up a melee weapon. The melee weapon setup process is extremely similar to any other item, so make sure you first taking a look at the other videos that we've created which cover these topics, which include creating an item type, building an item, and positioning an item. This video will use all the concepts from those videos, so definitely take a look at those videos first. Now, after we've done that, we can go to this scene and we'll hit play and we'll see that this Dom character, he doesn't have any items, he just can move around. Now we want to add an item to it, so we'll go to Tools, Third Person Controller, Start Window, then click on Item Builder. And the item type that we want to do is the sword. We're going to select the sword for the base layer, or the base object. This is the actual model file of the sword. The item name will be sword. This is where it appears in the animator controller. And this assigned to, we will select Dom, because we want to put it in Dom's hand. And we will assign it to the right hand and we'll add it to the default loadout and select the melee item type. All this is covered in the other video in a little bit more detail. So let's go ahead and click assign and we'll see that he now has a sword. If I go ahead and hit play, he should have it in his hand, and he does. I've already positioned his item, so I'm going to cheat, and I already have some good values. So now it's actually in his hand, and when we hit play, we'll see that he can move around with it and he can aim with it. When I try to attack, though, I get this error saying you can't attack because the upper layer.sword.attack state doesn't exist. The reason that we're getting that error is because if we look at the animator controller for Dom, we go to upper layer and then we go to the sword, we'll see that there is no attack state. And so that's why that error is occurring. There's this attack left, attack right, and attack spin, but no attack. So let's go ahead and change that so that the use state, instead of it being attack, it will be attack left and attack left for the movement part as well. Now movement, we change it for both idle and movement so that the same attack left animation will play whether the character is moving or not moving. So now when I hit play and I aim, and now I can attack. Let's make that animation a little bit more interesting and let's add the base layer to it so when he attacks, he'll move his feet as well. And there we go. So that's really all that it takes to set up a melee weapon. There's not too much extra from the original video of setting up a pistol, but it's definitely just make sure you get these state names right. Now just to kind of get our money's worth, let's go ahead and add a few more attack states just so that we can really get an idea on how this works. And let's go ahead and add the attack right and the attack combo states. Oh, actually, no, it's not called combo, it's called spin. Attack spin. Now we'll go ahead and do the same here. Attack right and attack spin. Now we want to change the state order to combo so that when I keep clicking, the character will first go to attack left, attack right, and then attack spin. So let's see if that worked. So attack left, attack right, and attack spin. So there we go. And that's how you set up a melee weapon.